All right. We're live. It is May 14th. Oh my gosh, time flies. Last week was Into the Box. So I didn't go live that week because I was presenting and working on my presentation. But here we are. And this week, what I'm going to be working on is a project that I started it prior to Into the Box. And it's just a little CommandBox module that allows you to customize the banner text in CommandBox. Now, there's already, if I hop into Safari here, what's it going to give me? All right. On ForgeBox, we'll zoom in here. Let's go banner. There's already a CommandBox banner customizer on ForgeBox. But what this does, you can turn the banner off. When you customize the banner text, I'll install this to show what it does for my own sake too here. Let's hop in to the terminal, install, and what was the label for that? Our slug here is CommandBox banner customizer. Okay, install CommandBox banner customizer. I'm going to show you what this one does. It has its own purposes, but like if we do this and we reload, all we're going to get is these words. So we lose that nice big command box text, we lose the quote, we lose the version, we just have those words there, which, that's what this one does. But I was hoping for something that was a little bit more customized, giving me a little bit more control over what happens to the banner. And I figured I'd play around with that. So first, let's do banner. Let's go config. Let's just say clear modules. No, let's clear that module. Modules.commandbox banner customizer. We'll reload to get our CommandBox banner back. Okay, cool. So you can see here, I started developing this last week. This text that I'm showing here is not one of the default. This is not one of the default quotes for CommandBox. I started this module up so that I could set customized text here. And I also got it to customize the version here. So I just need to tidy it up a bit and publish it. And then maybe I can add some more bells and whistles. So that's what we'll be working on tonight. So let me walk through, for your sake and mine, what I have so far. And this is probably going to change because I didn't think it out too thoroughly when I started it. We have most of what happens in the module config. We have this banner text setting. It's defaulting to blank. We have an interceptor here for on server start. And one of the things that comes in is intercept data dot banner. Now what that has, we can actually find in the, and I'll probably need this now anyways, we'll hop over to GitHub. We can get this from CommandBox. I think if I search for banner text, it'll come up. No, maybe just banner. Yeah, banner, okay. So what we end up getting back is this banner. I don't know if you can see it here. I'll blow it up a little bit more. This is the banner. It has that cool ASCII CommandBox text up there. And then in here, the quote gets written out to it. This, the placeholders get replaced. Now, unfortunately, by the time it gets to us, this quote has already been swapped out for whatever default quote is going to be used. So what I did, this module has one setting right now, banner text. And I say, if we have banner text, so if that's being used, we use the temp directory and we write the current banner to that location, to the temp directory. And then we loop over the file that we made. So this right now, this was my half done work on the version. So if we're on line 6, we find the V for the version. So if we hop back over, you'll see there's a V for the version. We find that. And then right now I'm just replacing the rest of it with ITB. So version into the box, but we can add that as a setting and customize that a bit more. And then we say if it's line 8, what do I do here? I find the first space, which is the prefix. Okay, so this is the prefix is the I needed to do this because the prefix gave the line its color. So if we hop back, where was this? This is the quote. So the prefix is going to be what's over here, and this is what gives the line its color. So we wanted to retain that. Let's hop back to the actual command here. Then what do I do? Get the spaces that we need. Settings. That's what comes in. Where do I grab? Oh, do I just? Maybe I just. Okay, I just disregard the rest of the line. So I take that as the prefix, and then I stick my own banner text in here from the setting with however many spaces I need beforehand to fill it out. And then this I set as the new banner because I've built the new banner line by line. Delete that temp file, and I return the new banner. So this gives us the ability, or a little framework for customizing the quote. And I don't have a setting for it yet, but for customizing the version. So what we could also do in here, if we hop back to CommandBox, we could probably also customize this text. And I think those 3 would be the biggest things. Now, right now, I was calling it CommandBox Customize Banner Text. And that's, that's not a terrible name. I just want to look at the existing banner customizer, customize banner text. Similar, honestly, yeah, maybe a little too close, but CommandBox banner customizer versus what was mine? CommandBox customize banner text. I feel like mine should have a more ridiculous name because you're really kind of hacking that banner. CommandBox customize banner text. Naming things, it's impossible. CommandBox banner customizer. CommandBox. Well, it's not just going to be the quote because we can do more than the quote. And I don't really like the word customize. CommandBox hack banner text. CommandBox. Well, that's disappointing that I can't think of that, but we'll get on from there. I might want a namespace for this right now. Right now, the only command I have is banner text. What's the namespace for the existing command? Because I don't want to step on it. It is banner. That's probably why I have banner text. That makes sense. Banner text. Banner. What's another word for banner? It's going to be 45 minutes of me just Googling different words. Thesaurus. Banner. I mean, it is the banner, so it's going to be a. I don't think I can get away with anything other than banner. But then what would the namespace be? I also don't know what happens. So let me jump back here. The namespace of this is banner, and the commands within it are file, off, on, and text. I don't know what happens if I register the same namespace, but I have different commands. That said, too, I mean, honestly, what I should probably do. Let me look at this. I didn't look at this too closely. Another approach, I mean, if Brad would want it, another approach would be just to customize this project. Another approach would be to just add this functionality to the CommandBox banner customizer, given that it's basically doing similar things. So Brad, if you're watching this, I'm totally open to just merging these into the CommandBox banner customizer. For now, we'll call it well, you know what? While I can't think of names, I'll write code and then maybe I can come back to that. All right, so we have banner text. That's not what that's going to be called. We're going to have three things here. We can have quote, we have version, and we have welcome. We'll do each of these. I really should have CF format running on this, but I don't right now. So settings, quote. So this is going to be if any of them have a len. You know, I'm going to drop. I haven't used CF. I mean, I messed around with CF format 2 weeks ago, but I haven't used it in a project. I'm going to find that CF format.json file, and I'm going to drop it in here and use it. So where was that? Was that in demos? I don't remember where that was. Custom command scaffold, customize banner task, state help command, task test. Where was that? I have projects here. I do projects, presentations. No, I thought it was in demos. Let's just see if I have a. I hope I didn't delete that. That would have been. It's not in here. I stored that somewhere. Oh, that's annoying. Well, I don't think I want to spend a chunk of time redoing those settings. I'll just have to save that for next week. I'm not going to waste time doing that right now. Or I could, you know what I could do just for the sake of using it. I wonder if this one probably doesn't have one. Let me hop over to, let's go to CF format repo itself. And what if we grab this CF format.json? Just give this one a shot. CF format.json. Open it up. You know what? It might not be my default formatting approach, but I want to try it out. Let's I think CommandBox customized banner text box. I think it has a watch argument. I said that in my presentation, so I hope it does. So we will do CF format, and we will watch this directory, and we'll see how that goes while we're working on the code. All right, don't need that anymore. Okay. Got our settings. So we need something if any of these have a length. And I'm not sure what the most elegant way to do that is. This is annoying. Okay. Var has settings. I'm going to do this quick and dirty, and if it works, good. If it doesn't, settings dot each function item. Oh no, it's was it key and value? I think. No, I don't want an each. I want to reduce. I'm just going to check if they have a length. So I think it's result key and value. Return result. We'll start with false. If len value result equals true. I think this will work. I also don't know, like let's hop back to that watcher and see if format, I don't know if it's running changes. Well, I guess we'll find out. Like if I do a bunch of weird spacing here, is CF format picking that up? I don't see it getting changed while I'm in it. CF format watches a directory for component changes and format them. I can do a PR on that. So let's just run check. Yeah, it says they don't match. Okay, CF format watch help. Watch path to my components. I'm assuming it defaults to the current working directory. Okay, so the question is if I say, all right, so we're going to do CF format watch, and we're going to say overwrite, and why not say time it? All right, back in here. Just change the file. No difference there? You know, maybe I really do need to pass in that. I would have thought that. Where is it watching then? Okay. CF format watch. I want it to watch right where we are. That's the home. // let's just say / watch here -- overwrite -- time it. All right. Again, I'm not going to spend. Is that? All right. You know what? I can't tell if it's actually doing anything, which makes me think that it's not. But this is not. I'm not going to spend the rest of the time working that out. I want this to work. Okay. So we're going to do that. Hopefully this tells us if it has settings or not. We'll find that out when we test it. If it has settings, we're going to continue. All right, and now we've changed this to quote version and welcome, temp location, new banner index. All right, so this is going to be, we're going to replace this one with settings.version. And this one will be settings.quote. And settings.quote will go here too. Banner, okay, so banner text is gone. And now I just need to incorporate the welcome. So we'll hop back to CommandBox. The welcome, if this is line 8, that's 9 and 10. All right, so let's just see what happens with this. If it's line 10, we will grab the prefix, and then the line, I think we're just gonna print it out right there. If I look at the current one, there's no space here. Oh, but there's no, there's also no space. Okay. Well, like I assume it's that. I'm going to assume that it says welcome. This is obviously this is a bit hacky, but I'm going to assume that it is the space. We're going to say it's the W. So the line is going to be the prefix of what's before that, and then after it we will just do settings.welcome. That'll be the new banner. It'll print it out, and then we'll have it. All right. Let's just see. Let's go reload. Let's clear. It's probably gonna break. Stripped everything out because nothing's set. Oh, that might mean that the I don't know what that means. Well, first see config clear modules. Clear my example modules. Customize banner text is cleared. All right, now we will say config set modules dot command box customize banner text dot, let's say quote. Oh, gotta fix that. Quote equals let's just say, oh, this is the quote. Computer send, which is something that my kids say when they are trying to be like dad. Welcome, right? Welcome is one. Customize, not clear. Oops. We'll set the welcome equal to Hello, stranger. All right, now if we reload, this is going to be the test of whether that struct. Oh, okay. You know what? I should have each. Oh, that's what I have to do. Okay. I need to make sure that for ones that aren't set, it uses the default. Happy with how that. I don't know if that's the right. Is that the right color for that? Okay. Let's hop back in here, and we're gonna say. Okay, first let's put these in quotes so that we don't have that all caps version because it's gross. For these, do we want them to be able to be set blank? Well, if you want to set them blank, you could just set them to a space and that would blank them. Okay. So then I don't think we could still loop through this. It'll bypass the file writing. All right, so it has settings. So first I need to make sure that I have this so that it doesn't run if there's no settings. So config clear. No, I'm just going to clear everything in modules. Reload. And if I don't see, oh, well. Okay, so that is showing. Nice. Perfect. Now if I do config set modules.commandbox, I'm going to need to add a command for more easily setting these. Oh, I think I have it. Why am I doing it this way? I'm a fool. All right. Rather than going through that silly config thing. But I can't do banner. All right, config set. This is going to be the quote. All right. Banner. Welcome. It could be called welcome. Banner hack. Banner hack quote. Banner. Customize is too long. Command box. Banner hack. Okay. Because this will be the big problem here is what namespace I want to use. Banner with no vowels. BA commands. Banner. Banner hack. I don't like having two words in the command. You know what? I'm just gonna go that banner for now. It's gross and weird, and that's fine. So now the command itself, this command I'm gonna rename. It's gonna be called quote because that's gonna customize the quote. And in the quote dot.hint, the quote text to display in the banner under the command box logo. Quote.hint requires string quote config module set banner text quote equals quote. Run command box banner quote set, and we can duplicate this, and we will call this one. What do we say? Welcome. And we can duplicate it and call it, what was the other one? Version. Version.cfc, nice. Okay, so set the version text for the command box startup banner, the version the version to display in the banner. And we might need to make sure that this is like only 3 or 4 characters. Version, I can probably do this in a more clever way, but I should probably have a service that just handles this for these so that I don't need, well, I guess I need the commands for the hints and stuff. Command box banner version set, and the welcome, set the welcome text for the command box startup banner, welcome hint, the welcome text to display in the banner under the quote. Welcome string, welcome, customize the welcome, command box banner, welcome text set. We'll do that, we'll reload. Okay, so that is supposed to be white. Yes, all good. We got, that's the regular version. Oh, I should see how long this is and cap my, see, that's 17 characters. So maybe we cap it at 15 version. To do Toto to do cap at 15. And we'll incorporate that in there, but we've reloaded, so now we can say banner, oops, I don't know if I like that, banner, quote, and then the quote equal, okay, banner quote, I could just pass in, this is a public service announcement, this is not a test. And we should get that. Now, what I need to make sure here is that the other ones now don't override that. So when we run it, we don't want to do it if index equals 8 and there's a quote and there's a version and there's a welcome. Reload. So now the other settings should remain. The other things should remain. Nice. Version's still there because we haven't done anything. Welcome text is still there because we haven't done anything, but we could do banner, banner, welcome, hi, bye. And now we'll have those two set. Oh, what did it? I did welcome, so I must have messed up that. Oops. Welcome, quote, and version. Okay. Banner. Yeah, I don't like banner at all. Welcome. Gloopity. Gloppity. Okay, nice. All right, let's hop back in here and see what else we can do. All right, so we're going to cap this at 15. All right. If version.len greater than 15, we could just do an version equals ask the version can't be longer than 15 characters. What do you want it to be? Space. And at that point, and then we'll say, we'll just do it again, if version.len still greater than 15, throw, oh no, there's an error. I think there's an error. Sorry, can't use that version. Self-des. Try again later. Okay, let's try this out. Reload. So this is the version. Banner version. And if we say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, that's obviously longer. Version can't be longer than 15 characters. What do you want it to be? So this time we'll keep it longer. Error, can't use that version, try again later. Perfect. This time, if we say it is, the version is alpha, beta, gamma, I think that'll fit. Ah, still too long. Just say alpha. Nice. So if we reload, it should just say the alpha for the version. Valpha. Nice. Okay, so that worked. We can get rid of that to do. Okay, now what else do we want to do in here? We're gonna need a README. The biggest problem is just that silly name. I was hoping at this point an idea would have come to me by now. Not that one. So in this we say banner file, banner off, banner file, banner text. Box banner? What about box banner? You know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to reload and I'm going to see how it feels to use it. All right. See how it goes. Box banner quote. That's not terrible. Banner box. Box banner quote. What should I be called? Box banner. Box banner. All right, let's just try a couple things out here. Let's reload it. I mean, we do have tab completion, so if it starts with banner, that banner hack, maybe I'll just go with banner hack because that's really what it is. It's a pretty hacky a hacky thing. Banner hack quote, banner hack welcome to say hi. I think it might be banner hack, unfortunately. All right. Of the things that I've tried, that I think works the best. It's the shortest. And it has banner at the beginning, so tab completion is easy. Okay, let's hop back in and see what else we need to put in here. Banner hack quote, banner hack version, banner hack welcome, sets those. I could do a banner hack clear command. And clear could just remove all banner hacks. We don't have a hint. Clear will just remove all of them, set them back to nothing. So it'll run config clear. This is really just a shortcut modules command box. Now the question is whether I want to stick with that namespace. Command box banner hacks cleared. Reload. Banner hack clear. Reload. Looks like there may have been a floating quote in here. There was. See how this goes. All right. Banner hack. Oops. Clear. See if this one worked. Nice. Back to normal. Now, one of the things that I did want to do here was if we were going to be able to customize the quote, it would be pretty cool to not just have to hard code it, but to be able to set it to like an RSS feed or some remote JSON where it pulls in something random other than the command box list of quotes. So, I mean, like you could hook it up to your, you could have it read, it pull in like a subject line from your email, or I don't know, lots of stuff, but I'm not going to do that tonight. So we have command box. So the official package that we're riffing on here is command box banner customizer. And I feel like this one, if it's called banner hack, should be command box. It should probably be command box banner hack. Command box customize. No, maybe we just have it revel in its hackiness. I mean, because honestly, something changes in the banner, and most of the ways that this works will no longer work. Command box banner hack. All right, you know what? That's what we're gonna roll with because that's what it's doing. So we'll need to go through each of these and replace them. Command box banner text. Customized banner text is getting replaced with command box banner hack. Okay. Did that actually do it? Nice. Box.json, same thing. No, it didn't do it. Did it actually run the replace? Come on. Replace all. There we go. That's what I needed. Yes. Banner hack. Nice. And then the folder itself is actually named the same thing. So we'll, can't rename the folder yet. We will package unlink. All right, I just need to remove that symlink myself. So open squiggle slash dot CommandBox CFML modules. Was it really opened? Ah, it was on the wrong screen. All right, just want to make sure I remove that. Gonna remove that customized banner text symlink, and we will rename it and rename CommandBox customized banner text to be CommandBox banner hack. And then we will link that to make sure it works. And reload. You know what? This is coming together. All right, welcome back. We've been expecting you. Banner hack quote. So long. Goodbye. I can't spell in other languages. I was going to try to write arrivederci, but decided not to embarrass myself. Sweet. And then banner hack clear, reload, and we're back to the regular things. Sweet. All right, so let's hop back to CommandBox here. This is, well, you know, everything's gone in here. Let's reopen it. And we have our commands. And it wasn't the one that I had set up myself anyways, so we'll remove that. And we will need a README. For this, let's just start. Do we start with that? We can probably start with that. Let's go to GitHub.com. I am logged in. What do I have for my API wrapper template? I'm going to grab this README since I wrote it rather than copying from someone else's. And I'll just modify this in here. All right. So, bloopity bloop. What it does. Okay, cool. So in here we have CommandBox banner hack, the CommandBox tool for customizing your banner text. We need to write a little bit more there. We don't have acknowledgements, package installation. Obviously, you're going to need CommandBox installed. That's not a shocker. All right, so we'll just say installation. Obviously, you need CommandBox installed. No note at the bottom. Pretty straightforward. Box install, CommandBox banner hack. It uses the namespace banner hack. what it does. What it does. The CommandBox banner hack module allows you to customize the version, quote, and welcome message seen in the CommandBox startup banner. This can be fun or can be done for presentations, which is how I used it, to present a present, or more likely just for fun. How it works. And we will say the commands in here. Let's see how Brad did it. Okay, that works the worst sense. Makes the most sense. 1, 2, 3, 4. Customize the quote. Customize the version. Customize the quote. Customize the welcome text. Clear customizations. And in here, won't do that yet. Banner hack. And this is version. The 123.456.789. Let's get rid of that. Customize the quote. Quote. All right, README almost done. And then we can just publish this. Banner hack, clear. Banner hack, welcome. I'm not sure. Yeah, let's get rid of the, in this case, I think I'm gonna get rid of the $sign. I don't know if I write bash there, if it'll add any special formatting, but we'll see if it does. Oops. So, just gotta do the quote. I feel a lot of pressure with the quote to put a good example quote in there. All right, for our banner hack, welcome. This is our farmhouse. Customize a quote. What should we do for our custom quote? I'm not going to be clever myself. Oh, you know what we'll do? The problem with computers is they do what you say. Something along those lines. Quote. Funny I'll just write that then. The problem with computers is they do what you tell them. I know that I did not come up with that. Okay, quote, welcome text, how it works, all set. We must do it for customizing your banner text. All the text in the banner. Okay, install. Run any of the following commands to hack your banner text. Be sure to run reload to see the updated banner. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So what I'm going to do now, let's open up. Gotta get this up on GitHub. You know, this is good enough for now. I'll publish this later tonight or tomorrow morning, and it'll be available on ForgeBox tomorrow, because that is A to Z done, and it's been an hour, which for me, I think is perfect. Have a great night. Thanks so much for tagging along.